Here we are in Pine Acres RV. We have another Sunset Trail bunkhouse. Very unique layout here as well. King size bed starting in the front with a large entrance. Closet. At the door, actually. Opposite your couch and dinette, you have your entertainment, your refrigerator. There's your kitchen. There's a great bank of cupboards and closets on the side wall opposite the bathroom door. 4 bunks back here, including a double on the bottom here with storage underneath. Back through this way. And your bathroom. This is big. Always important to have a bathroom big enough to change in. Got your own exit door. Outside, full kitchen, of course. Sunset Trail at Pine Acres. X11, Stewiacke, Nova Scotia.